चलो चलो, तुम्हारा मन है पहले बोलने का, देखते हैं।
ठीक है, तो मेरे पेन में इसने बता दिया। पहले हम श्लोक
उसको अभी याद आएगा।
पहले हम श्लोक प्रस्तुत करेंगे। काचेष्टा बको ध्यानम स्वान निद्रा तदैव च अल्पहारी परित्यागी विद्यार्थी पंच लक्षणम। आई तो बोल चुके हैं, तो आई तुमको याद है। हाँ ठीक है, तो शुरू करते हैं। मनुष्य के जीवन में एकाग्रता अत्यधिक महत्वपूर्ण है और विष्णुगुप्त आचार्य ने अपनी एक नीति जो मैंने श्लोक प्रस्तुत किया उसमें कहा कि अगर मनुष्य बगुले की भांति ध्यान केंद्रित करता है तो उसके लिए कोई भी कार्य असंभव नहीं है। फिर महाभारत काल में जब कौरव और पांडव छोटे थे तब उनकी शिक्षा दीक्षा गुरु द्रोण के परम बाजुए में थी। तब एक दिन वे बालकों को लेकर जंगल की ओर प्रस्थान किए। वहां वे एक एक करके सब से पूछ रहे थे कि उन्हें जंगल में क्या दिख रहा है। तो सबसे पहले उन्होंने दुर्योधन से प्रश्न किया कि कहो दुर्योधन, तुम्हें यहाँ क्या क्या दिख रहा है। तो दुर्योधन उत्तर दिया, पेड़ है, वृक्ष है, झाड़ियां हैं, पीछे से झरने की आवाज आ रही है, पक्षियां आकाश में चहचहा रही हैं, और कुछ पक्षियां पेड़ पे बैठी हैं। तब उन्होंने अर्जुन से प्रश्न किया कि अर्जुन, तुम्हें क्या इस समय क्या दिख रहा है। तब अर्जुन ने उत्तर दिया कि मुझे सिर्फ चिड़िया की आंख दिख रही है। तो उन्होंने पूछा ऐसा क्यों। तो अर्जुन ने कहा कि यही मेरा लक्ष्य है। अभी नहीं खत्म हुआ, तो एक और चीज, एकाग्रता को लेकर एक और चीज बोलना चाहेंगे।
बोलिए।
जिस तरह सुई में धागा पिघोना अत्यंत कठिन कार्य है कुछ लोगों के लिए कहा जाता है, वहीं जो एकाग्र और अस्थिर मन से सुई में धागा पिघोएगा वो उस कार्य में सफलता प्राप्त करता है। उसके बाद फिर एक और उदाहरण हम देना चाहेंगे। विश्व की जितनी जनसंख्या है उनमें से हर भारतीय की एकाग्रता लगभग 6 गुना ज्यादा है ये तुलना में, बाकी विश्व की जनसंख्या के तुलना में। फिर हम बोलेंगे, महत्व बोलेंगे एकाग्रता का।
जो जो बोलना है वो बोलते जाओ।
एकाग्रता
ये बोलेगा वो बोलेगा।
एकाग्रता और अस्थिर मन से हम लोग परीक्षा में प्रथम आ सकते हैं। उसके बाद एकाग्रता हमारे मनोतनाव को कम करता है, मेंटल स्ट्रेस कम करता है। मनोतनाव बोले उसकी जगह, ठीक है। उसके बाद क्या
नहीं, बड़े पापा बोल रहे तुम आगे बोला करो।
उसके बाद क्या कहना था उसके बाद, हाँ हाँ, एकाग्रता से एक ही कार्य की तरफ कोई भी मनुष्य अपना उस कार्य की सफलता के लिए ध्यान केंद्रित कर सकता है। धन्यवाद।
चलो
सो प्रसाद क्या कह रहे हो तुम? हाँ ठीक है।
I am going to tell you about meditation
एंड मेडिटेशन।
meditation or dhyan is a form of concentration. Meditation provide to learn how to let go. Meditation is not spinning or not or running away. Thank you. Jai Shri Ram. Vande Mataram.
थोड़ा बस।
Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to speak about concentration. But before I start, let me present a Sanskrit shlok. Agnina Satya. Agnina Sat.
अग्नि नाम।
नाम.
नौ के आगे अनुस्वार होगा। नौ आकार में अनुस्वार। अग्नि नाम।
अग्नि नाम.
नाम नाम। ऐसा
नाम?
क्यों? हाँ।
अग्नि नाम. सुच्य. बड़े पापा आगे बोल रहे हैं तब तक। वृक्षौ वृन्द्याम न चाप्रुयात् तथा सत्यम विना धर्मः पुष्टिम नियति काहिर्यताम्। अर्थात जैसे जले हुए पेड़ उगते नहीं, वैसे ही सत्य के बिना धर्म की स्थापना करना संभव नहीं। Now I will be speaking about concentration. Concentration is the action or power for focusing on all one's attention through mind. Advantages of concentration are: first, it benefits our long and short term memories. Second, it helps in focusing. It balanced our mental brain, mental organs. It let us understand our thoughts. Now I will tell you about 10 ways to boost your concentration. 10 और उससे कम भी हो सकते हैं. First, doing mathematical calculations or equations. Second, getting a shower of cold water. Third, concentrating on a flaming candle. Counting from 100 to 1 backwards. Spelling words backwards मतलब उल्टा. और फिर backwards and meditation. Thank you.
अंतकाले अंतकाले च अंतकाले च ममेवरा अंतकाले च
अर्थ बोल दो।
नहीं, अगली वाली लाइन बोलते हैं।
बोलते
सह प्रयाति नहीं, यह प्रयाति सह नया नहीं नस्त्यात्र नाति नहीं याति और भूलिए, अर्थ बता देते हैं। जो पुरुष अपने अंतिम अंतकाल में अपनी शरीर को त्यागते हुए मुझे याद करता है, वह मेरे स्वरूप में आ जाता है, इसमें कोई संशय नहीं। Now I am going to tell you about concentration. Concentration is an ability to focus on a particular thought or subject without getting distracted. Concentration is an ability which everyone must have, but most of the people do not have this ability, and so they are distracted from other distracting voices. Some advantages of concentration are first it controls our mind. Second, it boosts our memory. Third, it helps us to it gives us the ability to learn things faster. Fourth, it concentration boosts our intuition. Or fifth, concentration helps us to focus on only one subject. And फिर फिर बताते हैं कंसंट्रेशन। Some ways to boost our focus on a subject or thought is by solving problems, by taking cold showers. Third, by meditating at morning for around 15 to 20 minutes. Bas, thank you.
Good evening everyone. First of all, I would like to present a Sanskrit shlok. परित्राणा साधुषाम विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम धर्म स्थापनार्थार्थ संभवामि युगे युगे। इसका अर्थ है कि श्री कृष्ण यह कहना चाहते हैं कि साधु और सज्जनों की रक्षा के लिए तथा दुष्ट का नाश करने के लिए एवं धर्म की स्थापना करने के लिए मैं हर युग में जन्म लेता हूँ। Now I would like to speak upon the topic of concentration. Basically, concentration can be described as a state of mind or an ability of a person to gather all his focus and energy and propagate or guide it towards one direction or a goal. Concentration is definitely very important for a person in today's world. Concentration, having a good concentration is very necessary, and concentration can be your concentration level can be made better by constant practice and working upon it. There are numerous ways to increase your concentration. Currently, having a bad concentration leads to basically distraction from everything that we are doing. Knowing and knowingly, we concentrate on a lot of stuff. We concentrate every day on some of the smallest things, but having a bad concentration may lead to not being able to do that particular work efficiently. There are many ways to boost your concentration. Hinduism is Hinduism is the only major religion in the world that talks and promotes concentration through its teachings. Concentration can be done in many ways. First of all, I would like to talk about the concentration through pranayama. Pranayama has basically 4 steps, in which each step is of around 4 seconds. The first one is to inhale for 4 seconds, hold the breath for 4 seconds, then exhale and then hold yourself again for 4 seconds. Pranayam boosts your immunity and also increases your concentration, which in turn leads to a much more happier and clear life. The second one can be said as the chanting the Om mantra. Mantra is usually said to be a word or a syllable that has a proper meaning behind it. Om is said to be one of the most holiest mantra around the mantra or chant around the world. It is usually advised to chant 108 times Om and 1008 times for more advanced level. Chanting Om is also boosts the overall person and helps his mind become more clear and become more thoughtful. The third one can be said as the Tratak method. The Tratak method includes sitting with your spine straight and concentrating over any one and gathering your all focus and concentrating on any one object, and while slowly closing your eyes, you try to visualize that object. If done properly. Tratak definitely improves a lot of your concentration. Fourth one can be said the third eye method. The third eye usually said to be the third eye as depicted from Shivji is said to be present between the 2 eyebrows. The way to concentrate in the third eye method is to close your eyes and try to gather all the energy present. Try to gather all your energy and concentrate it on the third eye or between the eyebrows. This method actually improves in the enlightenment of the person and makes him a lot more and boosts his overall self. The fifth method to boosting your concentration or improving your concentration can be said the chakra system. There are 7 chakras in a body, starting from the bottom of the spine till the topmost part of your head. The basic way of doing this concentration is to again sit with your back straight on a hard surface like your floor. After that, try to gather all the energy present around you and try to propagate it from the first chakra to the 7th chakra. Try to propagate it from the first chakra to the 7th chakra through your spine. This method is again helps in gaining the ultimate knowledge for the individual doing it. These were some methods to improve your concentration. Now some of the benefits of concentration can be said. By doing proper concentration, it helps making the mind a lot more clear. It helps making the mind a lot more thoughtful. thoughts come straight away. Another can be said, it makes the person a lot more disciplined. It makes the person a lot more, you can say, scheduled or sorted. Improving your concentration definitely clears the mind, and the person which is focusing on a particular work is able to gather all his focus and concentrate on the work he is doing 100%. This in turn leads to the work being done almost perfectly, and which in turn makes the person happy and improves the overall, and improves his overall, and improves the person in overall. Thank you.
Starting with the Sanskrit श्लोक, सर्वलक्षणहीनो अपि यः सदाचार्यवान् नरः श्रद्धानु अनसूया शतं वर्षाणि जीवति। अर्थात सभी लक्षणों से हीन होने पर भी अगर यदि कोई व्यक्ति अच्छे आचरण वाला है, श्रद्धावान है तथा किसी से ईर्ष्या ना करने वाला है, तो वह 100 वर्षों तक जीवित रहता है। Now I will tell you about concentration. Concentration is the ability to give all your attention and efforts to something. Concentration is vital for everything that you do in your life, because it prevents the mind from wandering aimlessly in all directions. Without concentration, we can achieve nothing. Work done with a concentrated mind becomes more enjoyable. A concentrated mind is a powerful mind, and a dissipated mind is a weak mind. So for everything we have to concentrate, and meditation is a way to improve our concentration. Thank you.
श्लोक से शुरू करने जा रहे हैं। सुखार्थिन कुतो विद्या विद्यार्थिन कुतो सुखम, सुखार्थिन वतजित विद्या विद्यार्थिन वतजित सुखम। इसका अर्थ है सुख चाहने वाले को विद्या कहाँ, विद्या चाहने वाले को सुख कहाँ। जो जिसे सुख चाहिए उसे विद्या का त्याग कर देना चाहिए, और जिसे विद्या चाहिए उसे सुख का त्याग कर देना चाहिए। Now I am going to discuss on the topic of concentration. Concentration is the person's capability to control their thoughts and focus their attention on a single thought. Every person should learn to be able to control their thoughts in a way that a person should train their mind to control their thoughts in a way that they should be easily expressible. Importance of concentration is important because it helps us to control our mind. It helps to reject unnecessary thoughts. It helps us to gain inner peace. It helps us to maintain harmony with ourselves. It helps us to improve our memory. Thank you.
सबसे पहले तो मैं श्लोक बोलूंगी। विद्या ददाति विनयम विनयात याति पात्रताम पात्रत्वात् धनम आपनोति धनात् धर्मं ततः सुखम। अर्थात विद्या से विनय मिलता है, विनय से धन, धन से धर्म और धर्म से सुख की प्राप्ति होती है। Now I would like to speak on the one of the most powerful ability of a person, that is the concentration. Concentration is the ability that in which one focus only on one subject rather than jumping from one to other subjects. It means the control of attention. It is the most important ability everyone should possess, but however nowadays some of them lack this ability due to the distraction that are present nowadays. The importance of concentration are, it helps to control the mind, it helps to free the mind from the negative thoughts. Third, it improves the ability to study, and fourth, it helps it reduces the mistakes. Now I would like to tell you a story regarding the concentration. One day there were few people, they were going to the jungle to practice shooting. They placed the pods at some distance and targeted it. None of them was able to hit it. There was a saint who was watching them and he started laughing. One of the youth went to him and said, "Why are you laughing? Do you even know how to shoot?" Then the saint took the gun from them and fired. He hit all the pods one by one. Then the youth thought that he might be a magician. The saint replied to them that I am not a magician. It was all about the power of the concentration. So the moral of the story is that if we concentrate on a particular target, we can easily achieve it. Thank you.
The name